For quite a long time, the world saved a place. Millions were born, yet no one filled your space. Until the second of a minute of one special day. You took your first breath and the world said hooray. Yes, from head to toe tip, you are one of a kind. With your way of being, your body and mind.
Hooray for your sweet and beautiful face.
That's not like another in the whole human race. Hooray for your smile that goes just so.
When you laugh and act silly or show what you know.
Hooray for your hair, be it black, brown, or red. That does its own thing on top of your head. Hooray for your body that wiggles in place.
With custom-built parts that move your own ways.
Hooray for your moods and feelings, each one. That start at sun up and end with day done. Hooray for your silly, excited and glad. Hooray for your grumpy, crabby and sad. Hooray for your thoughts and hopes that you dream. Hooray for your favorites like cake and ice cream. Hooray for your being like nobody other.
Like cousin or sister or uncle or brother.
Hooray for yourself, both inside and out.
There's only one you without a doubt.
Look in the mirror and love who you see. Smile and shout. Hooray for me!